and indirect narrations. When we use the actual words of speaker, we call it direct speech. When we use substance of speech, we call it indirect speech. Direct and indirect are of 5 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. Changes in indirect speech are also of 5 types: changing of reporting verb, changing of conjunction, changing of pronoun, changing of verb, and changing of nearness. Now changing in nearness. This, that, these, those, here, there, now, then, just, then, ago, go, come, go, hence, thence, either, hither, thus, so, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, last, the following, next, the following, last, the previous. Now changing in verb. If reporting verb is in present or future tense, then we can't change any tense connecting to reporting speech. If reporting verb is in past tense, then we can change any tense connecting to reporting speech. If reporting speech is any universal fact, habitual fact, generally recognized proverb, or historical fact, then also we can't change any tense connecting to reporting verb. Now changing in tense. First form, second form, do ya, does plus first form, second form, do ya, does plus not plus first form, did not plus second form, is, am, are, was, were, has, are, had. Was, were, had, was, were, had, second form, third, had plus third form, did not plus second form, had not plus third form, was, were, ing, had been ing, will, could, shall, should, can, could, may, might. Now changing in pronouns. अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में आई, मी या माई होता है तो उसे हम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करते हैं. अगर रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में यू, यू या योर होता है तो उसे हम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करते हैं. वी होता है तो दे में, अस होता है तो दैट में, और आर होता है तो देयर में चेंज करते हैं. नाउ चेंजिंग इन कंजंक्शन. असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में हम दैट यूज करते हैं. इंटेरोगेटिव में इफ, वेदर या इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड्स. एक्सक्लेमेटरी में दैट. ऑप्टेटिव में दैट, लेकिन अगर कोई विश होती है तो दैट कंजंक्शन यूज नहीं करते. और इम्पेरेटिव में दैट, टू, नॉट टू, दैट, दिस, शुड यूज करते हैं. चेंजिंग इन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस में से, सेट, से, कर, से सेट रहता है. से टू, सेट टू और सेट टू का टेल्स, टेल, टोल्ड हो जाता है. अगर कोई आंसर यस या नो में आना होता है तो रिप्लाइड या आंसर. इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड्स में हम कंजंक्शन, हम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आस्क्ड या इंक्वायर्ड ऑफ. इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में हम यूज़ करते हैं ऑर्डर्ड, एडवाइज, सजेस्टेड, बेग्ड, रिक्वेस्टेड. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस में एक्सक्लेम विद जॉय, एक्सक्लेम विद सॉरो, एक्सक्लेम विद सरप्राइज. और ऑप्टेटिव में प्रे या विश. नाउ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिमूव ट्री. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ट्री इज टू हाई टू जंप. The tree is so high that he cannot jump. Present tense में the tree was so high that he could not jump. Past tense में that class is too noisy. इसके लिए the class is extremely noisy और the class is noisy beyond the proper limits. The tea is too hot for me to drink. The tea is so hot that I can't drink it. Now active and passive. When we give importance to subject, we call it active voice. When we give importance to object, we call it passive voice. Now active and passive are of 3 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative. Let plus object plus be plus third form. Let plus object plus not plus be plus third form. Please की जगह you are requested to और please don't की जगह you are requested not to. Assertive sentences. Subject plus helping verb plus third form plus by plus object. Subject plus helping verb plus third form plus by not plus third form plus by plus object. Subject plus helping verb plus third form plus by plus object. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus helping verb plus third form plus by plus object. Interrogative. Helping verb plus subject plus third form plus by plus object. Helping verb plus subject plus not plus third form plus by plus object. Helping verb plus subject plus helping verb plus third form plus by plus object. Helping verb plus subject plus not plus helping verb plus third form plus by plus object. Now changing of whom. By whom plus helping verb plus object plus third form. By whom plus helping verb plus object plus not plus third form. By whom plus helping verb plus third form. Object plus third form. By whom plus helping verb plus object plus not